Today, I'm excited to show you a mechanical pencil that's more than meets the eye. It's colorful, it's efficient, and it has a built-in sharpener. Let's take a look. This mechanical pencil comes with colored leads, so you can write or draw in different colors without switching pens. It has yellow lead, and yes, it also includes black lead for regular writing. The design is slim and easy to hold, perfect for students, teachers, or anyone who likes to keep things colorful. Now here's the coolest part. Right here at the back is a tiny sharpener. You just insert the tip and twist to get a sharp point again. No more dull tips or broken lines. It's super convenient, especially when you're working with soft-colored leads. Let's test it out. The colors are bright, smooth, and don't smudge easily. And here's the black lead, nice and clean for everyday writing. This mechanical pencil really surprised me. It's fun, practical, and has everything you need in one tool: colors, black lead, and even a built-in sharpener. If you love neat writing or creative note-taking, this might become your new favorite. Thanks for watching my first video on Tried and True. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more honest school supply reviews. I'll be posting new videos every week. See you next time.